Zip ties are not necessary unless your spring clips happen to break. Well, this is the Yost 5.5 inch 855-D2. I've been getting some PMs and a few emails asking me just what holds the pipe jaws in place. There's clearly no set screws visible from the outside and the inside. The main jaws are held in with a 3/16 Allen head screw. 2 on this jaw, 2 on this one. Okay, I'm going to try 2 small screwdrivers, prying out from each side. You can see the movement. See a pivot. Snap back in. I like the method that Yost used on this. There you go. Just a big old spring clip. It was not very tight, so I'm going to snug that up. So if the spring clip ever did break, I'm assuming I can get a new one from Yost. Just be a phone call away. Those guys are very helpful on the phone. There's what it looks like without the pipe jaw. Pretty cool way of doing it, I think. They keep it simple anyway. And it also allows the jaws to somewhat float. I kind of like that to a degree. Well, let's try the vice grip method. Oh, that's even easier. That's the way to go. Little pair of vice grips. That was tight. Let's see how they snap back in place. Bingo! They snap in with authority. I like that. Okay, and on the sizing, this is a 1/2 inch solid steel rod. You're going to get pretty good clamping force on that. You can see the gap, like an 1/8 inch gap here on the main jaws. Now let's see what I can get in that one. Okay, the vise is tight. This is a 5/8 rod. Okay, here we got 3/4. And we've got about the same 1/8 inch gap as we had with 1/2 inch on the bottom. Now here's 2 inch PVC, which is 2 3/8 OD. Don't have any big steel pipe. You see how that fits. That's a really good fit, and that's 2 3/8 OD. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comment sections. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Have a good one.